And then a big bad shark came. A boom 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 boom. A boom 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 boom. A boom 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 boom.
This is Tavish's first time in the pool. We are 13 weeks old today. Yay!
Oh.
He's doing a good job.
Oh. Look at us go. We're going deeper. Oh my God. Getting deeper and deeper. Oh. Oh. Look at me go, Mama. Can't see his little legs are kicking. It's like a frog.
Come back over here quick. Aww.
A little water in your mouth. Oh yeah. You okay?
Oh, look at that big bottom lip.
Okay. Okay. He's like, stop making that happen to me.
You're okay.